How to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll see how you can fix if you have a slow download speed on Google Chrome. So let's just jump right in. First off, you're going to have to find the three dots menu at the top right corner on your Google Chrome. From here, scroll down until you find settings. Once you head over to your settings, on the left hand side, you'll find privacy and security. Just go ahead and click on it. Then you'll scroll down and then click on security again. Now under safe browsing, you have secure connections. Then you just need to go ahead and turn this on and enable your secure connections. And under advanced, you need to use a secure DNS as well. Make sure this one is turned on. And on the DNS provider, you need to select Cloudflare or Google's public DNS. Any one of these is fine. I'll just select Cloudflare for now. And then you could go back. Now, under performance, you need to make sure that the memory saver is turned on as well, along with your energy saver. Make sure all of these are turned on. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you find system. Go to the system settings. If this option is toggled on your Chrome settings, make sure to turn this one off. What it does is it's going to continue running background apps even when your Google Chrome is closed. You want to turn this one off and then turn on the hardware or graphics acceleration when available. After doing all of this, you want to go to the extensions tab and see if there are any unnecessary extensions that are taking up your download speed. If there are, you can directly remove them or just disable them temporarily. And now you can just close your Google Chrome, open it back again, and your download speed, it should start increasing significantly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.